Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to block adult videos on YouTube. Actually it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all you need to open your YouTube application on your iPhone device or Android device, it doesn't matter, the steps are the same. And then at the bottom right click on U button, here it is, and then at the top right corner click on the settings gear icon, right up here, and then the first one option, general. So and then you need to make sure restricted mode option is enabled. So if it's disabled you need to click on that one gray dot and then this mode will be activated. So it will filter all violence content and all adult videos. So but I would recommend you to turn on another option to block all adult videos on YouTube. So you need to go back to the settings and then click on the third one option, Family Center. Here it is. Then you need to wait a little bit. So and then you will see this interface. All you need to do is to add family members, so you can click on the add a YouTube Kids profile or invite a teen. So and then you need to choose age range you want to YouTube show to this one person. So and after that all videos out of this range will be hidden. So and that's all, and that's how to block adult videos on YouTube. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.